If you've hidden your active status in Messenger and want to unhide it, you're in the right place. Unhiding your active status can be useful if you want to let your friends know when you're online and available to chat. In this video, we'll show you how to unhide your active status in Messenger. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger and tap on the 3 stacked lines. To unhide your active status in Messenger, open the app and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will bring up the app's menu. Step 2. Tap on the gear icon next to your username. In the app's menu, tap on the gear icon next to your username. This will bring up the app's settings. Step 3. Tap on Active Status. Usually you'll find Active Status as the second option in the settings menu. Tap on it to access the active status settings. Step 4. Tap on Show when you're active. In the active status settings, tap on Show when you're active. If this option is off, turn it on. Once you've turned on the Show when you're active option, your active status will be unhidden in Messenger. Your friends will now be able to see when you're online and available to chat. Unhiding your active status in Messenger is an easy way to let your friends know when you're online and available to chat. By following these simple steps, you can unhide your active status and stay connected with your friends on Messenger. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from us. Thanks for watching.